To power on your Eufy C10 robot vacuum, first of all you will need to find a power button right here, and you need to click and hold this button for 3 seconds until your device is powered on. Another way to power it on is to basically manually plug it into the charging station. I have it right here, but the charging station needs to be plugged into power. So let's try the first method. Now we need to wait. It takes a few moments to boot. But here it is, our device is powered on, and you can do the same thing by just plugging it to the station as I said. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.